You've probably heard of bubble tea, a Taiwanese drink that has become one of the world's most popular beverages. The iconic bubble tea has been popular in Asia for decades, but the origins around its invention are quite bizarre. This drink is so beloved in Asia that Taiwan declared April 30 as National Bubble Tea Day. In Southeast Asia, bubble tea orders skyrocketed to 3,000% in 2018 alone. Not just that, but people love bubble tea so much that at the start of the pandemic, when bubble tea shops were ordered to close temporarily in Singapore, long queues were spotted at bubble tea shops to get their last fix of the beverage. And according to a recent study, the bubble tea industry is expected to grow to a whopping $4.3 billion by 2027. And for the sake of it, I even ordered bubble tea while writing this. But where did this iconic drink come from anyway? To understand the origins of bubble tea, we need to travel back to the 1980s. In Taiwan, an entrepreneur named Tu Zonghe wanted to start a new business venture. At this time, his hot pot restaurant just went bust, leaving him $133,000 in debt. He wanted to start a new business, fast, one that would capitalize on the tea shop trend in Taiwan, but also unique enough that customers would be drawn in. One day, as he was visiting a traditional market, he spotted tapioca balls being sold, and this reminded him of the traditional snack he had loved from childhood. Inspired by this reminder, he added these white tapioca pearls to his green tea. Then, he started to take this experiment further. He added larger black tapioca balls to milk tea for a richer taste and chewier texture, becoming the bubble tea we know and love today. With this new invention, he opened his first tea shop, Hanlin Tea Room, which opened in October 1986. The product became a hot-selling item, and the revenue of the tea shop helped him clear his debt. Hanlin now operates about 80 branches across Taiwan and has franchises worldwide. Cool story, right? Well, not so fast. Here's where things get awkward, because Zonghe isn't the only person claiming to have invented bubble tea. The other story is just as interesting of an experiment, and years later, the two stories would clash as it became a bitter dispute and filing lawsuits against each other. The other story is about Chun Shui Tang Tea Room, where its founder began serving Chinese tea cold after he observed coffee was served cold in Japan while on a visit in the 1980s. Then, In Chu Hui, the product development manager of the company, introduced a game-changing idea. During a staff meeting, she spontaneously added tapioca pearls, a snack she also loved from childhood, to her tea, and then she encouraged others to try it. The drink was a hit among everyone present in the meeting, prompting its addition to the menu and quickly becoming the franchise best-selling product. As bubble tea became a popular drink in Taiwan, a heated legal battle for the rights to the invention of bubble tea between the claims began in 2009. Finally, in 2019, the decade-long court battle was settled, and the results were somewhat anticlimactic. The court ruled that anyone can make bubble tea, so arguing about who made it first doesn't matter. But despite the underwhelming result, the ending was actually quite friendly. Remember Tu Zonghe, the founder of Hanlin Tea Room? He says that they're all old friends in the tea industry, and the lawsuit is nothing personal. And at the end of the day, they will let the people who drink our tea be the judge. Regardless of who invented it first, one thing is for sure. Bubble tea is a Taiwanese staple that has captured the hearts of millions worldwide. And now, it's one of the most popular beverages in the world.